Hi guys, welcome you again. Myself Raju Mahato. Today I will discuss about very basic things in Corona that we do with every new language when we started to learn those language. We make Hello World's program with that. So today also we will do the same. We will make an application to display Hello World. So let's write a code. In my last video, I have told that Corona prefers Lua scripting language which is very lightweight and too powerful. So we will write our code in Lua. We can use any standard text editor to write Lua code. For my case, I will go with Notepad. Now we will see how magically we will do this. So before going for the text, let me add background color for the window. So to make it, let's write the code. So this is the API, Corona SDK API, which I will use to set the background color. Now this means that it will set the background color. Set default display.set default will set the background color. Now we need to put the background color code. Now this is the color code that I have used. This is the RGB form of a color. Now I have used blue color to make our background. Before going further, let's save the file. Now remember, the file that we want to access at the first or we want to make as a landing page should have the name main, and the extension for the Lua file is .lua, so we will name it as main.lua. So let's save it in a directory. I have a folder named Corona Demos on desktop where I have already made a folder for Hello World. Now let's save it on here, this file on here, and the file name I need to give main.lua. Save it. Now to check it how it works, let me open the Corona simulator. This Corona simulator will show you how it will look into a device, a selected device that we will go to select. Now we will have the Corona SDK. Now open our project. Now this is on desktop, Corona demos, then the Hello World. Now as earlier I have said, to run any application we need to select the main.lua file to open by the Corona simulator. This is the landing page of any application that we build with Corona. So I will select this main.lua file. Sorry for the inconvenience. Oh, I have a error over here. What is the issue? Oh, sorry. This would be the background, not the background color. Now save it. Relaunch the application. Here you can see that this is the background color. So this is my fortune that you have seen an issue. Now easily you can see that when any issue comes in your code runtime, it will show you the issue that you have some error in your code, so just go and fix it. So before building any application, or before after building an application, when you run the application on your device, you after and then if you see the error, then it's a very heartbreaking moment for any developer that uh, to get an error when after installing on device. So Corona provides an functionality, you can say that the facility that whenever any error comes, it will catch it at the runtime when you test it on the simulator. So before going to the actual device, it will tell you the all the errors that that have in your code. So after fixing, you can go with the device. So here you can see that the background color that we have set, it's blue, and it comes looks in the simulator. So now let's go with the text, the message that we want to show, hello world message. So to do this, let's define a variable, message variable local, and this is the message variable. Now Corona also provides an API to display a message on the screen of your app. So the API is display and the new text. Now this API also takes some parameters that things you can say that properties of the text that you need to set to show in order to show the message on your screen. So here goes. So now let's see. The first parameter, hello world, this is the text that I want to show on the screen. Then this 100, this is the X position, this is the left position of the text that will started. This means that this 100 is the position from where it will started, the left position, and this 100 is the top position. At the 100 positions from top, it will display the text, and this is this native.system font means this is the font type, and then this 60 means the font size. So now let's add a text color, font color for this message. So message, just simply set text color. Here also it takes the RGB format of the color name. So 255 255 255. This is the RGB format color code for white color. So now let's run it on the simulator. Let's see how it looks on the simulator. To run this application, just simply press Ctrl R. It will relaunch the application. Now here you can see that the text that I want to show on the hello on the device is hello world, and it appears on the screen. Now this is for HTC, is it? So you can see it for different device. Now we can test it like on iPhone how it looks, on Galaxy Tab how it looks. For different device you can test it, like view as. These are the different devices for which you can test it, like iPad. So for iPad it will look like this. For the new coming iPhone 5 it will look like this, something like this, is it? So how nice it. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy this. Next time I will come with some other new things with Corona. Till then, goodbye, keep coding.